Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start data science trends with Gartner easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin exploring data science trends with Gartner, first, open your web browser. Type Gartner data science trends into the search bar and hit enter. Look for the official Gartner website in the search results. Click on the link to access their research articles and reports. Once on the site, navigate to the search tool or the research library. In the search tool, enter keywords such as data science trends or data analytics. Review the list of available reports and articles. Select a relevant report by clicking on the title. Once the report or article opens, skim through the abstract or executive summary. Take note of the key findings highlighted in the document. Look for charts or graphs that illustrate trends in data science. If you're interested in more recent data, filter results by publication date. Download the report if it's available for free. If not, consider accessing it through your institution or organization if they have a subscription. Once you have the report, read through it thoroughly to understand the trends. Make notes of significant data points that are relevant to your interests. You can also explore related articles or research studies provided by Gartner. Engage with community forums or discussions related to Gartner's findings. Utilize social media to follow Gartner for ongoing updates in data science. By continuously engaging with Gartner's resources, you will stay informed about new trends and insights. Apply these insights to your data science projects or research endeavors for better outcomes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.